Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there's always something new on the homestead, and today I'm in the coop getting the nesting boxes ready for the turkey hens and our chicken hens. They've been laying like crazy, and I need to get an area for the turkeys to centralize their eggs because they've been laying them all underneath my porch, and that's not working. So we're going to get the boxes put in, we're going to get some bedding put down, and we're just going to make sure everybody's comfortable and ready to lay some eggs. Hens are now in full-blown egg production mode. They've been laying a lot every day. We got up our chicken nesting boxes here. I just have to fill them up with some of my bedding, and then I'm going to make some turkey nesting boxes here just out of some of my broken down bins, just some of my black bins. I'm just going to turn them on their side and fill them up, and they should be good. The hens aren't that big, but they just need a place to lay their eggs because they've been just randomly putting them anywhere. Hey buddy, what are you doing? I'm not a turkey. You got to go on. These guys have been fun. There's Pancake. We got our first egg from Pancake today. She's an older bird. She's on her 3rd year. So don't know how many more eggs I'm going to get from her. I'm just super excited. We added the tom into her coop so that we might be able to carry on her lineage. Hey Pancake. Okay. All right, these guys are bugging me. I got to get these nesting boxes up. Okay, I'm getting them done. Bye buddies. Go on. Go bother the hens. There's the hens checking out their new boxes. All right, let's get it set up. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Oh, they're fighting over Pancake. These guys, I tell you, if they're not chasing the hens, they're fighting each other. See, they've been using the boxes here. So we keep these ceramic eggs inside of the chickens' nesting boxes just to stop them from eating their eggs if they ever get the idea. So it's been pretty good so far. There's one of the little birds we introduced. Hey girl! And that's one of the old girls. Alright. So you can kind of see the concept I'm going with for the boxes here. I'm just going to fill them with some bedding. I got bedding here. I'll just throw it in. Just take some over here, put it in. These are pine shavings. You don't ever want to use cedar. Cedar is bad for your chickens. It gives them respiratory disease. Okay, I just need to get a little bit more bedding. But essentially you see what I'm doing here, eh? I'm just filling them up so the girls are comfy and they got a little private space to do their thing, lay their eggs. The chickens the same thing. Oh, I'm going to put some more bedding in that box, but yeah, we got a lot more egg layers. We just introduced the 4 birds into the main flock. Arnold's taking nice to them, but our barred rock's a little bit of a pain in the butt, so as to be expected, it's going to take a little bit of time for this one of the girls we introduced. So, hey guys. All right, I'm going to finish this up. Then these girls will be happy. Look, our little brown bird's already looking into it. Hey girl, checking things out? So curious. And these guys got to be here every time I do something. Right? Are you the foreman? These guys make me laugh. I love turkeys. We already have the hens coming to check them out. You like your new box? That's where you're going to lay your eggs from now on. Hey, we just added some bedding in. The chickens can scratch around, spread it out the rest of the way. We put some bedding inside of the chicken boxes. And we're good. All right. Look at you, you got bedding all over your face. All right, so these girls are just going to spread this stuff out, get used to it, figure out what they're going to do, and hopefully I start finding some eggs in here. And not underneath my front porch like they had been laying. There's Pancake, and that's her mate. That's the one we just added in. Pancake has been one of our longest running birds. She's from our first flock of turkeys many years ago. And we decided we wanted to carry on her lineage because she's just a great bird. She's really friendly, she's caring, she's a great mother to the chickens and other turkeys. So we figured it's just time to kind of carry on her genes. And this guy here, we decided to add him into the coop when she was in her breeding mode, so she's more submissive and not so dominant. And it worked, so I got my first fertilized egg from her today. Well, I'm hoping it's going to be fertilized. We're going to candle it in a few days and just see if he did his thing. We're all done for today. We got the bedding inside of the chickens laying boxes. See that there? We got a bunch. The ceramic eggs are still in there. I have a few more ceramic eggs I want to add. And we also got the nesting boxes done there. So as you can see, all the chickens are kind of checking them out. The turkey hens will probably come in soon and check them out. Everybody's just got to say something. So there's our, we call her Large Marge. And that's one of the new chickens we added in. Were you dancing, bud? Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Hopefully I'll be showing you guys some baby poults.